All right, so in this lesson, we're going to learn about the p sound. Sound, this is the action, just like you try to puff out the candles. P sound. Okay, and here I want you to describe what do you see in this picture? What do you see? Okay, so let's try. So right here we have a boy, all right, a boy. And where is he? Okay, so he's sitting at the table. He's sitting at the table, okay, on his chair, and he tries to puff out the candles. Okay, puff out the candles. So the boy is having a birthday, okay, it's his birthday party, and he tries to puff out the candles. And this is, we also can see a pink pig cake. Pink pig cake, okay, it's a cake. Also presents, all right, there are presents. So now I want to tell you a story about this birthday party. Okay, so this boy is having a birthday party. He opens his presents and plays some games, some party games. Then he puffs out the candles on his cake. There are trick candles and keep relighting. Okay, so the candles are not real. Okay, they are just trick candles and they keep relighting. Okay, so everyone tries to puff out the candles, going pah, pah, pah. So they got tired because the candles keep relighting. So this is the story. It's a funny story actually. All right. Okay, so right here, let's read together. So puff out the candles on the pink pig cake. Puff out the candles on the pink pig cake. Puff, puff, puff. Great, okay. Puff, puff, puff. Puff out the candles on the pink pig cake. Now I want to share with you a method on how to write the p sound. Okay, p sound. All right, so we always start. Okay, look right here. Okay, so we always start at the top. We go straight line down. All right, straight line down. Then we go up again and around. Okay, just like O. Okay, start at the top, go straight line down, go back up again. All right, and one line, curved line around, curved line around. Okay, this is the p sound. P sound. Great, perfect. All right, now let's do the finger tracing. Okay, I want you to put your magic finger up and let's do it all together. Okay, we start at the top, we go straight line down this way, then we go up again, all right, and we go around. Okay, curved line around. Right, curved line around. All right, so this is the p sound. Sound. Okay, now let's do the blending. Okay, here we have four words right here. Okay, so the first one, so how many letters does it have? The first word has 3 letters. And how many sounds? This is a sound. Let me highlight this one. This is sound, 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 this circle shape. So 3 letters and 3 sounds. And how many words? This is 1 word. So we can say 3 letters, 3 sounds, 1 word. E. Pit. Okay, pit, pit. Great, pit. And we've learned all these actions and sounds. Okay, pit, pit. Okay, pit. Let's move to the next one. Let's move to the next sound. Okay, 3 letters, 3 sounds, 1 word. A. Pat. Okay, so this word right here contains 3 letters, 3 sounds, 1. It's 1 word. A. Pat. The next one is E. Again, one more time. T, tip. Great. And the last word, 3 letters, 3 sounds, 1 word. A, p, tap. Okay, tap. Here we go. It, pit, at, pat, ip, tip, and app, tap. Perfect. Well done. Great. Okay, and right here we have some words that contain the p sound. All right, we start with the first one. The first picture. It's a pie. Okay, pie, 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 pie. Okay, pie, 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 pie. Great. So, for example, we can say I like apple pies, or I would like to eat a pumpkin pie. Okay, pumpkin pie, apple pie, strawberry pie. The next one is parrot. Okay, this bird right here called parrot. Okay, the parrot can fly. Parrot, parrot, parrot. The next one is a pen. Okay, pen. The pen, we use the pen to write. Okay, write. We use pen to write. I can write with my pen. Okay, it's a red pen. The next one is tiger. Okay, tiger. Tiger does not contain the p sound. All right, so we only have these 3 words, 3 pictures: pie, parrot, and pen. Pie, parrot, pen. Great. Pie, parrot, and pen. Perfect. Well done. Now I want you to prepare a piece of paper, all right, and a pen, and let's do the writing. Let's do the blending. Please prepare a piece of paper and a pen, and let's do the writing. So can you tell me what's the first sound of spin? Okay, spin. In 4 letters, 4 sounds, 1 word. Okay, spin, spin, spin. All right, so the first sound is s. Okay, s. Great. Okay, spin, spin, spin. Perfect. Okay, spin. All right, so now let's move to the next word. 3 letters, 3 sounds, 1 word. Tap. Okay, tap. The first sound of tap is t. Okay, t, p. Great. Okay, tap, tap. P.
Puff. Puff out the candles on the pink, pink cake.